You can use different methods when you copy and reuse your components. You can choose to paste components that are linked to the original and hence updates when your original component updates. You can also paste new components when you want to reuse your component but want to continue working on it as an individual piece of information. Insert into current designs allows you to reference, also known as XREF, short for external reference, external Autodesk Fusion designs within your current assembly. Right-click on the component you want to copy on your browser and then right-click on the component you want to nest your copied component within. It's common to nest your component within your top-level component, but you can also nest it within lower-level components. Position your pasted component. Pay attention to the unique designations at the end of the copied component name. Press OK to finish. This component is linked to the original. Use this method when you want changes made to the original component to also update the copy. Paste new works similarly, but pastes an unlinked copy of your component. Pay attention to the file name when you paste new. The name differs from the paste component workflow with a linked component. You also have the option to fire up a new design and paste your component there. This independent component won't update when you update the original, which is useful when you want to reuse digital assets but continue working with them as originals. Use Insert into current design when you want to XREF a component from another design. Select your parent component in your design before you right-click your chosen design in the data panel and insert it. Edit in place allows you to edit the external component in your current context. You can also break the link from the original design and continue to work with your component as an independent piece of information. You now know the basics about copying and pasting components. See you soon in the next lesson. Thank you.